Hi guys, how are you doing? Thank you so much for coming back. Today it's all about 3 different methods on how you can start your twist. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming. My name is Glory. Please, before you leave, hit the subscribe button below and turn on notification bell. But if you're my old subscriber, I love you guys so much and thank you so much for the huge support you are showing me. So I started by dividing the section. You may decide the size of the section you want braid, and this is the size of braiding hair I'll be using to braid this method. You may decide to hold your hair like this and braid like this way, but the method I use to braid is a bit different with this. This is how I used to hold the braiding hair, and then the third strand will be natural hair. So here, after I pull the hair well, the first strand I'm going to push up, and then I continue braiding, just a normal braiding. So every time I pull one section up and other, I hold it back so that I can continue braiding. And this is how I'll braid. Here I feel like the step I go it's enough, so I take natural hair, I add on one section of braiding hair, and then I roll and I start make twists. So every time before I make twist, I make sure I roll the braiding hair, then I make twist. And twist I make here not too tight and not too loose. Just like this. Every time before I twist, I make sure I roll so that I can get even twist. And when I'm doing twists, I'm not tight too much, because if you tie too much, your twists, they're going to look one side bigger and one side small. So here I'm not tight too much, and I'm not also do too loose. I can say maybe medium. And this is how I'll go till end of this section. And this is how the hair looks like. And this is my first method. Method number 2, I'll be using rubber band. You may use any color of rubber band because you'll cover rubber band and rubber band will not show out. So after I secure this section with rubber band, don't secure too much, just keep space, because later you'll crochet your braiding hair in. And then I take crochet needle and I crochet the braiding hair in. After I pull, I make sure both sections they are even before I start braid. And after I make sure the section they're even, I pull a little natural hair so that the hair will be well secured. Then I divide very small section, just like this section. Then I'll be using this one to wrap on top. No specific amounts on how many times you're supposed to wrap. Just wrap till you feel like this side is okay, or the hair secured well. And then I hold that section I use wrapping, then I divide other hair into 2. Then I mix this section I use wrap with one section, then I wrap it well before I start make twist. I hope this makes sense. Then I continue make twist, wrap and twist, wrap and twist. In this method, the first strand I start make twist is the section I add that section I used to wrap so that the hair will not unravel. And then I continue make twist till end of this braiding, and this is how the section number 2 looks like, guys. The last method I divided the hair into 2 equal sections. I'll be using my thumb finger and the next, while other 3 fingers help me to hold the rest of braiding hair so that I can roll it well till I feel the hair is really well arranged. Here when I'm rolling, you can see other hand help me to hold it to avoid to unravel. After I roll it several times, then I do a kind of crisscross so that I can roll another side. After I roll a couple times and I feel like I hold the hair well, then I'm going to start to make twists. And I'll go like this. Just the same method to make twists. Roll and twist, roll and twist. Not too tight and not too loose, so that you can get good and well twists. So here also I'll continue make twists till end of this section. When I'm braiding, you may see some hair is out, so I take scissors and I trim off all the excess hair so that I can get clean twists. And guys, this is the final result for today's video. I hope this will help somebody, and I hope you enjoy watching at the same time. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to share with your loved one. Share as much as you can. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon on my next video. Bye bye.